Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy Airtable records to another table. This is incredibly useful when you want to move completed tasks or specific data between tables without doing it manually every single time. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, head over to airtable.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage where all your bases are displayed. From here, simply click on the data or base you want to edit. This opens up your workspace where you'll configure the automation. For this tutorial, I'm working with two tables, Table 1 and Table 2. It's important to understand the structure here because it determines how the automation will function. In Table 1, I have a field called Status. This field is crucial because we'll use it as the trigger for our automation. It tells Airtable when a record is ready to be copied over. Now in Table 2, I have two fields, Sample Name and Attachments. These are the exact pieces of data I want to copy from Table 1. Essentially, whenever a record in Table 1 meets a certain condition, these fields will automatically populate in Table 2. To set this up, click on Automations at the top of your screen. This opens the Automations panel where you can create rules that run automatically based on triggers and actions. Click on Trigger to begin defining when this automation should activate. From the options that appear, set the trigger to when a record matches conditions. This means the automation will only run when specific criteria are met. Next, select Table 1 as the table to monitor. Now you'll add the condition that determines when the automation fires. Set it to when status is done. This ensures that only records marked as done in Table 1 will trigger the automation. Now it's time to define what happens when that condition is met. Click Add Action and choose Create Record from the list. This action will generate a new record in another table. Select Table 2 as the destination where the new record will be created. Next, click Choose Field to map the data you want to copy over. Add sample name and attachments. This tells Airtable to pull those exact fields from the triggering record in Table 1 and insert them into the new record in Table 2. Once you've mapped both fields, your automation is ready to go. Save it, and from now on, whenever a record in Table 1 has its status set to done, a copy of that record's sample name and attachments will automatically appear in Table 2. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automation to copy records between tables in Airtable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.